Welcome back to Balabas G's. If today is the day you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to give us a follow and also go and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be getting information back to back as we dey go and so it dey hot to. Let's go ahead and read out what Maazị Nnamdi Kanu said through his lawyer, Aloy Ejimakor, said. Kanu, who issued the threat on Monday through his special lawyer, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor, said that using his name IPOB or ESN to conduct fundraising or enforce illegal sit-at-home is a crime and that anyone or group doing it is deliberately working against his release from the Department of State Service (DSS) custody. Kanu said, anyone or group of persons using my name that names of IPOB or ESN in fundraising without my direct and express authorization is committing a crime with my name, and I will deal with such a person regardless of his place of residence. Nnamdi Kanu said this through his lawyer, Barrister Aloy Ejimakor. And they say Nnamdi Kanu went ahead and said that the details of the Economic Empowerment Day (EED) are very comprehensive, and I will personally unveil such details once I am released. So as you can see, this is information reaching us that this statement was made by Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, as they have said. So that the statement passed through his lawyer, which is Aloy Ejimakor. So guys, you people have heard what the lawyer said that Nnamdi Kanu said. So I want you to leave your opinion in a comment. Here in this channel, we talk truth and we say things the way it is. So leave your comment. What do you think? Do you think that the sit-at-home will continue until his release, or do you think that everyone must obey this order given by him, or do you think that this order didn't come from Maazị Nnamdi Kanu? So leave a comment below and tell us what you feel about this information that passed and say that Nnamdi Kanu said. So see you in the comment section and let's talk about this. Thanks for watching.